In this practice, you will add fields to automate some of the information in the title block. Let's start by opening the 2BLK-A landscape drawing. Zoom in on the title block information in the lower right corner. In the field dialog box, set the field category date to date and time. For the field names, select Save Date. In the format that displays the current date in the form of, for example, 27-April-22. Click OK and close the dialog box. In the date area, pick a point to place the date in the title block. In the Drawn By, double-click on the XXX to edit this text. In the text editor, delete the XXX. In the text editor, tab Insert panel, click the field. Change the field category to Document. For the field names, select the author, leave the format as None, and click OK to close the dialog box. The field displays as empty because the drawing author has not been specified in this file. Repeat the process and edit the XXX in the file name area. Click Field. Change the field category to Document. For the field names, select File Name and set the format to uppercase. Select the file name only and clear the Display File Extension option. Click OK to close the field dialog box. Note that your date updates to the current date as the Save command automatically updates the value for fields. Open the shaft detail. In the A-size layout, using the Blocks palette, insert the file title block-shaft as a block with its insertion point as 0, 0, 0, in addition to the default scale and rotation. Close the Blocks palette. In the Application menu, expand the Drawing Utilities and select Drawing Properties. In the Properties dialog box, select Summary tab, enter your initials as the author and click OK. Save the drawing. The information in the fields update with your initials in the Drawn By field and the current date in the Date field.